Nike Air Max CB94 Triple Black returns in spring 2026, continuing Charles Barkley's signature line of retro releases. Last seen in 2023 and 2020, this all-black colorway remains a fan favorite. The 2026 edition stays true to its roots, featuring a mix of tumbled leather, smooth nubuck, and neoprene-like mesh in a stealthy monochrome finish. Tonal black branding and reflective polka dot perforations on the straps add subtle contrast, while the signature chunky midsole and visible air unit preserve its bold 90s basketball aesthetic. Though originally built for the court, the CB94 has evolved into a lifestyle staple, especially appealing to streetwear enthusiasts and retro collectors. Its triple black design offers versatility and timeless appeal, making it a go-to option for those seeking both comfort and edge. Look for the Nike Air Max CB94 Triple Black to drop in spring 2026 on Nike.com and at select retailers.